Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A long time no see. I was on a vacation and it took me a while to settle down few things. Today I'm back with another eyeshadow review tutorial for you all, and today I have this palette from Milani. What is this palette? This one is the Milani Glided Terra palette. This is what it looks like. You can get this from Nykaa or maybe from Hawk Makeup. This costs for rupees 2,350 rupees on Nykaa. That's the original price. But from Hawk Makeup you can get it on discount. I got it for 1700 maybe, so it's like a great discount if you want to purchase the product. Review this product. I'm going to show you guys eye tutorials, swatches, and yeah, let's get started. This is what the packaging of the product looks like. I will not say plasticky cardboard kind of a packaging, you can say, and it opens like this. You can see you have a mirror, and the size of this eyeshadow palette is like good enough. It's not very small, not very huge, but for 2000 rupees I was expecting it to be a little bit more bigger, but that's okay. The pan size is quite good. I don't want to complain anymore. The palette feels very lightweight. It is not very heavy. Touch this initials. They are like raised a little bit, and these are golden in color. It's written Milani and the name of the palette, which is Glided Terra, and the weight is 9 gram total. This is what the back side of the packaging looks like. And all the ingredients about this eyeshadow palette, what this eyeshadow palette actually contains. So here you have a mirror, which is great because I personally think a mirror is a must-have when it comes to eyeshadow palette. I don't know, it's a thing. I have so many eyeshadow palettes which does not contain mirror, but still I love them. But sometimes when we get a mirror, it's like a chef's kiss. It's like not big enough. It's like a smaller size mirror, but the shape is quite good and you can see everything very clearly. You can see your entire face though. Not only your eyes, you can see your entire face over here. About the color story. So this is what the color story looks like. Recently Milani launched so many different eyeshadow palette. You can check that out on Nykaa, Hawk Makeup, Amazon. But this actually, I was really interested in this particular one. The color story just calls my name. See so much everyday neutral color plus some colorful shades as well. Like this particular palette I think is great for wedding, occasion, festive. It is so beautiful. It is actually very festive. You have some green, some purple, some golden, some brown, some deeper shades as well for your smoky eye look and stuff. So I definitely think the color story is something you can go for. I really love looking at this one. There are few other color stories as well, but I do feel like some of them contain too much green, too much brown, too much purple, like too much blue maybe. I am not into that. I want something where I can get like too many colors in one palette. So this is a palette for you. You have so much golden shade, you have purple, green, brown, peach shade, so many different types of color, and you can create so many different looks as well. So I think this is a good investment if you want to get this particular palette. So I swatched the first row, which is this one, and this is what the first row looks like. Really, the shimmers are so intense and so beautiful. I do really think that I will enjoy the shimmer shades more than the matte shades in this palette. I'm not saying that matte shades are bad. They're absolutely very creamy, very buttery, very pigmented. They glides on very smoothly, but the shimmer shades are something else in this palette. Swatch the third row, which is this one right over here, which is kind of like my favorite row. I'm expecting a lot more from this row, actually from these colors right over here. Wow, I mean, thank you so much for keeping my expectation. This is insane. Look at that pigmentation. Wow. So first one is kind of like that beautiful light pink orchid kind of a shade. Then there is one deeper orchid shade, like a purplish undertone shade. Then the third shade, which is this one. Oh my god, so beautiful. This is called Sage Advice. So good. It's like a sage color, of course, but it contains a duochrome shift to it. It contains some blue and brown shift to it. It's so pretty. Then you have the second last shade, which is a brown shade. It is also super pretty, kind of like my shirt's color. Really beautiful. Then you have Glamping, which is a pretty glittery like yellow shade. It contains like fine glitters and so mesmerizing. I think they are swatching so well, and I'm not even using any base product, any setting spray, nothing. It's just as it is, one swipe pigmentation. So good. I'm gonna swatch the last shade, which is this one. This is what the last shade looks like. It does contain more vampy, deeper toned shade. So the first one is, you can see, so reflective, is this one right over here, which is called Enjoy the View. Such a pretty color. It's like very metallic, silvery kind of a color. Then this one right over here, this is the purple shade. It also is like a matte plus shimmer, something in the middle. It is called Good to Grow. And then we have the green one, which is this one right over here, which is this one, is like a moss, and this is like a shimmery deep green shade. And then we have two deeper matte shades over here. One is the brown one and one is a deeper green one. Both are very smooth, very buttery and very pigmented, not at all feeling chalky when I'm swatching them. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So this is how my eye makeup look turned out. It is so beautiful. I will mention some things that I felt about this palette. First of all, I can see fallouts in this palette. I was not expecting that. I actually used foundation before doing my eyeshadow, and when I was doing my eye makeup, I can see fallouts all over my eye area, which is not a big deal. You should do your eye makeup look before using foundation. It will be good to go. But I do feel like there was some fallout. Every single shade is so unique. They worked so well. They blend really well, especially the matte shades. They are so buttery, so smooth. They blend like butter. I really enjoyed using this particular palette, and I will highly recommend you, if you want to purchase any Milani palette, go for this one rather than purchasing something else. So many colors, you can do so many looks. So I think this is a must have, and I personally will recommend this. I'm gonna quickly show you guys my eye makeup look once again. I did a ombre kind of a look, finished look. I am gonna rate this palette a good 9 out of 10. Really enjoyed using it. Purchase it on discount. You can go to Hawk Makeup and you can get it on discount, or maybe wait for the Nykaa sale or anything like that. Get it on discount. I purchased it on discount itself. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.